CXO PowerMate is a platform for a senior leaders and senior executives to come and share high profile talks and conversations on technology, on business models, and primarily on the technology part. So how this could impact your business, all that's kind of a conversation is that what we're having in this CXO Power Meet.
Of course, we have our feedback model and feedback systems over there, and that is happening. And we have slowly got into this artificial intelligence based feedback model, AI based. We are the only academy in India who have started this. So far, we are the pioneers now. What are the tests the students are taking up? They'll get an AI powered feedback. So that is actually they are saying it's wow.
Any technology that is going to help you quantify your employee productivity again, right? If you're able to pinpoint at the task and the effort and the resultant outcome to it, and if you're able to manage that well, I think that is a key thing for SME businesses. The other thing I would say is a place which acts as a knowledge base for you to share your learnings and updates, because we are all working remote, we are slowly now coming back to offices, right? There are a lot of things that would be happening. To constantly get updates, constantly have updates on what is something that they have learned new as a knowledge base, I think that would be a lot more helpful.
I think the consumer change is way more rapid than what the organizations are changing, correct? Organizations are, whether it is an SME or a large organization, they are just aping another organization because he is doing it, let me also do it, correct? The need for going back and speaking to your customers, knowing your customers well, understanding their change on the digital space is very critical, because the same consumer who's consuming something through digital by getting an Uber is also buying your vegetables. True. Correct? If he says, look, something can happen in Uber in a way, correct, why can't a vegetable vendor do that? That's the kind of change that's happening, and that's a largest change.
Sometimes it may misunderstood with some of the organization. So instead of using the ready-made products available, instead of they're trying to build it. They're trying to spend more time, more energy to build it, right? They have to focus on their core business, right. And they try to use whatever ready-made SaaS product is available. They use it, as Sir said, just bits and parts, implement, experiment, then proceed further. Right? But I met a lot of people. They come to me, sir, I need CRM. Boss, why you need a CRM? Unless really it's helping you. Anyway, as I said, cost involved. The cost will give us more productive, then it's fine. Simply, now I also want to digital transformation, never going to help you.
From our experience, we are able to add competitive advantage to our customers using AI/ML to overseas clients at a very cost-effective rate. Actually, as we are a very small player, I think other people also can. Already, people are suggesting that, saying that they are exploring that. So I think the threshold is there where if you use AI/ML technologies, you can create competitive advantage for your own company.
Basically, the voice service that can be used even if you're at home, not necessarily to be at office, or it can be a hybrid model, integrating with the CRM, integrating with APIs and all this kind of solutions, what is offered beyond the connectivity, which is the Smart Flow is a product, what we call it, and apart from that, we have also the connectivity. When I say, while the internet or a voice solution is a piece that is majorly remembered by the SMEs and the organizations, there is also a need of cyber security in today's scenario of the digitalization that's happening across. So every organization, every SME or large or a medium organization is keen to have the right cyber security solutions, right? So endpoint security, which is critical for the organization, or
your customers are looking for your service. It's not like nobody wants to, but the problem is the terminologies, the cloud and all that. Today, at least, okay, in the business circle, people understand. We are all used to, technology change. We are using your Google Maps. Earlier, we used to ask auto annas, every night, but Google tells you everything. It's not like I'm not used to, right? But then the word digital transformation sounds so big for companies that, I have to invest extra money. I have to have people with technology background. today there's so much change. There's so many companies who can help you do your business with ease.
With the existing service, whatever the digital transformation service that we are doing, if that layer is also added, probably it may ease our business also.
So, but I think it's a nice, interesting discussion. So, thank you all very much in sharing your insights and having come over here for an in-person, the second CXO Roundtable talk. And thanks to Tata Tele Business Services.